What is that, Bryn? What is that? What does Brennan say?
You have a banana?
Sorry. Nah. Your friends say, ooh. Ooh, look at all that. Are you stealing the worm's food? Don't steal the worm's food. That's the worm's food. Leave the worms alone. Look at all that food. Some fungus already had some work and it's rotting. Ooh, some bananas. Those are going to be some happy worms. What's the matter, Hunter?
I don't want him in the middle right there.
Hunter, how about moving to the side? What?
I'm right there.
Share. Brendan, just to the side.
No!
No.
Hunter, share.
Brendan, share with Hunter.
Hunter wasn't sharing either. He was pushing.
Stop grabbing the worm's food.
Then I'm going to be happy to you.
Hunter. No.
I'm mad at him.
Down.
Down.
No!
Use your hands. You get down.
No!
No hands, Bren. No hands, Bren.